They're new, they're gorgeous, and they're perfect for you. This is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. I'm standing in the Hanover Preston Hollow one bedroom. It's just been released recently for people to view, and we're here to show it off. It's just gorgeous. I mean, look at this beautiful kitchen. Kitchen is just amazing. It's got a beautiful backsplash in there. It's a granite backsplash with a lovely light that's there. And then look at these cabinets, just really pretty, kind of light wood. You do have gas in here. This is a high rise, and so I would expect nothing less. And that's what you get. You get a beautiful gas stove to cook with. You've got a gorgeous kitchen and living room too. The living room is very large. There's lots of space. You can have a lot of people over. Look at all the space you have available here. You've got 3 people can sit under there. You've got a built-in desk over here, breakfast table, and then just a beautiful area over here. You also have a great balcony for more space and just some incredible views. So gorgeous, gorgeous feel out here, and just the perfect area to be in, the Preston Hollow area. Hey, if you're ready to take a tour of the Hanover Preston Hollow, or if you want to just ask questions about Dallas apartments in general, I want you to send me a text. You can say, "Hey, this is who I am. Hi, Grant," and let's just chat and say hi, and we'll go from there.